Make sure you stay until the end. We will explain common mistake people make when replacing fuses, relays, guys, and how that can cost you quite a bit of money that you don't need to spend. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Chevy Malibu. We're talking specifically about that generation here from year 2016 to year 2023. Currently, if you have one of those, you need to find where your alternator fuse is located. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have a Chevy Malibu, we're talking about that generation here from 2006 to all the way 2023, guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video about every fuse, every relay in that car. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you're trying to find where the engine starter fuse or fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, search, less than 1-2 minutes, you fix that problem, you're back on the road. Because sometimes in the menus it will not be cleared, it will not be mentioned, guys. If you need to buy, guys, okay, any parts, tools, fuses, anything for your Chevy Malibu at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Now, here in the garage, guys, we constantly work on things, constantly working on new vehicles, guys. We do engine work, mechanical work, transmission work, body work, anything you can think of. So we're constantly adding new vehicles. So if you need help with anything, just leave a comment below. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the alternator fuse is extremely hidden. We'll talk about that, okay, right now, guys. So now right here, guys, okay, we're going to demonstrate on this 2017 Chevy Malibu. You guys have 3 different fuse boxes. Most people know maybe about 1, but you have 3. Now, when you open the hood on your Chevy Malibu facing the engine, this is the main engine fuse box. Here you have one fuse for the battery engine, for the battery system manager, okay, BSM fuse. But that's not the main alternator fuse. The main alternator fuse is under the cover right here for the car battery, where the positive terminal is. If you open it, you have a fuse box that looks like this one. This is where the positive terminal on the battery attaches. But before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, you will have multiple fuses. There is very limited information about that. That's why we're making this video, to save you guys as much trouble as we can. This is the main fuse here, but you will need to check. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses. Those, I think this one often is for the hybrid, but you will have up to 6 fuses, guys, and one little one that we can ignore now. But that 6 fuses, guys, that one right here most likely is the alternator fuse. But we recommend to test each one of them, because even if just one of them burns, we have to replace the whole fuse box, which is not very expensive. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.